She's so sexy. He gave me a bottle of some McGuire's Instant Detailer there to take to the show in case we don't have no water. Kind of a sketchy situation if you ask me, but you know, let's turn that to off. Yeah, he does a good job, man. I hate to even touch anything after he's had a hold of it. Sparkle like a mofo. Look at that. So fresh and so clean. Set the drink in there. I better pull out some covers for my mats down there. I don't like sitting my feet on them. Let's get this bad boy fired up. Better turn that off, huh? Man, it smells so good in here.